at Wembley Stadium in London. Will MJF's reign continue, or will Cole be the new champion?
The following contest is a tag team match set for with a 20-minute time limit. Introducing first, from Long Island, New York, Willow Nightingale.
Tag team action, it's Saturday night. Willow and Kris for a fight. Oh, yeah.
And her tag team partner from Long Island, New York, she is the TBS champion, Kris Statlander.
I have never been more excited to hear Kris Statlander's music in my life.
Well, I'm going to finish Mercedes and Diamante with the sneak attack, but Willow and the champ are here to fight back. Aliens and smiles fill the Coliseum. Looking for revenge, I'll swear you'll see him. Time for the action, time to end this rhyme. We're pumped up because it's Kris and Willow time.
Pathetic.
Pathetic? You called me Tupac earlier. I thought you liked me, Nigel. This is Saturday Nightingale, as they've dubbed themselves on Twitter.
Never heard of sarcasm, have you?
So you did like it. Not in the Rickabone zone.
And their opponents, the team of Mercedes Martinez and Diamante.
Interesting to note that the TBS champion, Kris Statlander, Willow Nightingale, came out separately. Seems to be a bit more cohesion, as we've seen the past couple of weeks between Diamante and Mercedes Martinez.
Certainly something to that. They have certainly gelled as a team. The old adage, birds of a feather, flocking together. Certainly very colourful tandem.
And let's get fans up to date on how this match came to be, Nigel. A couple of weeks ago, Mercedes Martinez, Kiera Hogan met on Collision. Both top contenders for the ROH Women's Championship. As we start things off with Diamante and Kris Statlander. Martinez went a little too far. She went overboard and attacked Hogan after the bout. Statlander came out, which threw out Diamante, which threw out Willow Nightingale. We've continued to see these same four women in this orbit. Diamante attacking here.
Yeah, well, that's your side of the story, and my side of the story is that Martinez was having a little bit of fun. She'd won the match, she'd earned a little bit of fun, and out came Statlander with her title.
She had a photo shoot. She had a photo shoot, Nigel. You're hung up on that.
Either way, she came out with a title, and she got the title used against her. So certainly rued that decision when she came out, almost lost the title to Martinez last week.
And a quick tag made here to the Owen Hart Foundation Cup winner, Willow Nightingale. Now we're seeing some continuity, of course, still to come, fans. Samoa Joe in action cover, too. He is approaching the record for the longest reigning Ring of Honor World Television title reign. Of course, Christian.
My favorite father in the world, certainly, Christian Cage. We'll hear from the TNT champion.
And House Hobbs coming up later tonight as well. And Nigel, our main event.
NXT and FTR to try to take the gold from the longest reigning trio of champions. There we go.
And the pounce scouted by Martinez, holding the hips of Diamante.
Veteran experience certainly coming into play.
And no love lost here. Look at the strength of Martinez.
Deceptively strong. Dumping Nightingale, like a sack of spuds.
And a cover here, hooks the leg. One count there. You know, earlier today we talked with our Spanish broadcast colleague, Santa Rosa, who had mentioned that Diamante has been taken under the wing by Mercedes Martinez. Now, Diamante has been truly focused, seeing Willow Nightingale go up the ladder. Whoa, being sent back down by Martinez there, but really seeing others around her accelerate up the ladder and not finding success for herself.
I think Diamante certainly is in the position of thinking that perhaps she hasn't been able to capitalize on the opportunities that she's given. Look at this.
And a tag
this is some creative offense. Look at the way that Nightingale tied up. Oh, here we go.
And that's a paradise lock.
Second pose. That's gimmick infringement on Christian Cage.
And we have reached paradise there. The double drop kicks. Shades of Milano AT. Lateral press. Milano Collection AT. Diamante has control here. Can she power team to victory? Fans, we're going to picture-in-picture. Stay with us for this great tag team bout. Welcome back, fans, live here at Greensboro Coliseum, AEW Collision. We are back at you. It has been Diamante, Mercedes Martinez just dominating Willow Nightingale.
Nightingale certainly been on the back foot. Oh, look at that. Agility to break the double clothesline attempt. MJF, oh, and Cole will be unhappy about that one.
Uh-oh, and it's Nightingale. Driving Diamante through the rib cage of Martinez. Can he make the tag to the TBS champion? Oh, reached out. Yes, indeed. Big clothesline. And Statlander firing away. Reverse of the Irish whip, though. Double axe. Big drop kick. And it's Statlander on a roll here.
A resolute Kris Statlander, the TBS champion, showing some of the form that took her to the gold.
And Statlander sending Diamante and Martinez sweeping both down.
Oh, that's some creative offense.
And here comes Willow. Oh, double senton. Just 2 weeks away, Wembley Stadium all in. MJF, Adam Cole. We will see that bout live on pay-per-view. AEW World Championship on the line. But before we get to that bout, we will see Adam Cole and MJF, Better Than You Baby, challenge Aussie Open, the ROH World Tag Team Champions. That will begin noon Eastern, 5 p.m. British Standard Time, and that's live on YouTube, Facebook. You can check that out for free, AEW 0 Hour. All in. We will see FTR challenge, or defend the titles, against the Young Bucks. That is the third match among those two teams. Of course, still to come, our main event could be a big 2 weeks for FTR. They team up with CM Punk, the quote-unquote real world champion, to challenge the AEW Trio champions, the House of Black. That's our main event. Oh, goodness.
What a risk. Diamante was willing to take that. Had to be blind, no idea where her opponents, using the eyes of Martinez.
And really taking one for the greater good. And look at Martinez, the strength. The power, but Willow back up to her feet. Period. Trying to go back to Diamante, though. Wow, standing slice bread. Kick to the midsection.
Strong words from Diamante.
Oh! And the fisherman, Buster Man, spin boy driver from Statlander. Oh no, the bayonet to the back of the neck.
And the official's having a hard time here, I think, yeah. Nightingale, Martinez, the legal competitors.
Wait a minute. Nightingale stacks, 2. Martinez, 2. No, the leverage! The leverage!
The leverage.
Winners of this match, the team of Mercedes Martinez and Diamante.
I'll hand it over to you to make an excuse here.
There's no excuse. Willow Nightingale, the nice drop-down trap. Diamante pushing on the back of Mercedes, perfectly fine until she grabbed the ropes.
Highly effective. The official didn't see it and couldn't call it. So bottom line, Martinez, Diamante victorious, and the TBS champion has to realize that now her title is in very tenuous hands.
And think about what it means for Martinez, who's now been Willow, the Owen Hart Foundation winner. Things are wild here in the AEW Women's Division right now, fans. So, speaking of the Women's Division, we're going to go back to Lexington, standing by with Tony Storm.
Oh, I'm coming, baby!